Hi, my name is Peter Baran. I am from Holland, and in this tutorial we will be talking about timbre. Now, what is timbre actually? It is the tone color or tone quality that distinguishes a different kind of sound production, as for example the human voice or musical instrument. Now, what does this mean? It means that if I have a certain pitch, let's say for example the E of 330 Hertz, it will sound very differently if it's coming from a human voice or from, for example, a guitar. Now, why is this? Therefore, let's see at first a very pure form of this E, this 330 Hertz. We have it over here, and when I play this E, this sinus wave, we will hear this. Now again, this is a sinus wave, so therefore we only hear this 330 Hertz, nothing more, nothing less, and no partials, whatever. Now if I have this same tone, this same pitch, and I play it on the guitar, then it would sound like this. Now of course we hear the same pitch, but the sound is very differently than this one. Why is this? Now let's have a look more specifically on this sound of the guitar. We can visualize it here in the sonic visualizer, and I'll play this again. Okay, so we hear it's actually this E played on the guitar on the first string, the E of 330 Hertz. Now over here in this spectrogram we can see what this string does than only producing this 330 Hertz. It produces a lot more. We can see at the bottom, right over here, this fundamental tone, this E. Let's go a little bit closer now, and we can also see here this is not a sinus wave. This is a sound wave much more complex because of all these partials that we are hearing as well. Let's close a little bit more over here. There we are. Now, at the bottom, as I just said, we have the fundamental, the E. You can see it over here, which says the frequency is within the 301 and 387 Hertz correctly, because it's the E of 330 Hertz. Now, the first overtone that we see, that's this one over here. You can see it's again an E, an octave higher. The next one is this one over here. Oh, there we are. Which is the B. That's the fifth. Okay, it's the second overtone of the E. And so on. Now the next one, of course, it will be again the E, and we have a lot more. You can also see that all the overtones, all these partials, have a different color. That is why, because every overtone, every partial sounds louder or softer than the other one. And this is exactly the reason why this guitar is sounding like a guitar and not like a trumpet, for example. Now 5 minutes, of course, is a very short time to explain something like timbre. Anyway, I hope you learn a little bit, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.